It's quiz time now. Let's recap this topic and find out how much you have learned.
एनुअल हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स फेयर यानी वार्षिक हस्तकला मेला जल्द ही शुरू होने वाला है। ये कुछ दिनों तक चलेगा। इसमें बहुत से लोग भाग ले रहे हैं। इन लोगों के साथ हम बेहतर कम्युनिकेशन के महत्व को समझेंगे। अच्छे कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब है अच्छे से सुनना और व्यक्त करना। यदि हम अपनी बात स्पष्ट तरीके से कहते हैं तो हमारे दोस्त उसे आसानी से समझ सकेंगे और यदि हम ध्यान से सुनते हैं तो हम उन्हें ठीक से समझ सकते हैं। कम्युनिकेट करने के कई तरीके हैं। कभी-कभी हम अपने विचारों और भावनाओं को लिखकर या बोलकर व्यक्त करते हैं। कभी हमारे चेहरे के भाव और शरीर की क्रियाएं दूसरों को बताती हैं कि हम क्या सोच रहे हैं। ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि कम्युनिकेशन के अलग-अलग तरीकों का सही तरीके से उपयोग कैसे किया जाए।
This quiz has 4 sections. You can do them in any order. After finishing each section, review the answers for it. For each section, you will be scored out of 5 stars. All the best. Click on any number to get started. Choose the correct statement. Good communication only helps us in our personal life. Good communication helps us in our personal and professional life. Good communication only helps us in our professional life. The correct statement is: good communication helps us in our personal and professional life. Words are the only way in which we can communicate with each other. We can use words and hand actions to communicate with others. We can use words, hand actions, and face expressions to communicate with others. The correct statement is: we can use words, hand actions, and face expressions to communicate with others. For each of the following sentences, choose the correct answer. Communication means to talk and listen. Only talk. Only listen. Communication means to talk and listen. Which one is a form of non-verbal communication? Sending a message, talking on the phone, waving your hand. Waving your hand is a form of non-verbal communication. In verbal communication, what do we use to communicate our feelings? Hand actions, words, face expressions. In verbal communication, we use words. What is the right way to ask questions? Interrupt the speaker. Be rude. Be polite and clear. We should be polite and clear when we want to ask questions. Choose the correct answer to fill in the blank. In non-verbal communication, we communicate through writing and talking, body actions and face expressions. The correct answer is body actions and face expressions. By asking the right questions, we will get complete information, incomplete information. The correct answer is complete information. To be a dash, we should pay attention, not judge. Ask clarifying questions and summarize. Bad speaker, great listener. The correct answer is great listener. Give a thumbs up or thumbs down to the following statements. Thumbs up. Listening means to give attention to what we are hearing. This statement is right. Open-ended questions help us find out facts. Close-ended questions help us find out facts. We should share our thoughts without listening to the other person. we should share our thoughts after listening to the other person properly. Good communication helps us make better relationships with people. This statement is right. Asking good questions is an important part of communication. This statement is right. Congratulations! You are done with this course. Move to the next one now. You can come back to this course anytime you want.